Okay, so I found a vacuum leak. See what car is doing. Rattling about 600. But it's coming from a metal fitting down by the intake manifold. This button down here. And you can see, when you spray that, you get a hissing noise. Right here. Anyways, where's it coming from?